Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss in this particular video channel structure of LT. If you see this channel hierarchical channel structure of LT, it is shown in following service access point and radio interface protocol architecture. In this you can see physical layers, which is MAC layers, RLC and PDCP. Header compression ciphering, that is taken by PDCP, and that connected is how it is being taken care. It is shown in the diagram. Channel structure of LTE. Physical channels, we are having to support various quality services. LTE adopt the hierarchical channel structure, which are three different channel types of defined LTE. Physical channels, logical channels and transport channel. And wherever we are further modules will be discussing downlink as well as uplink and transport, downlink, uplink, all channels in the following modules. And this each associated with the service access point between layers. These channels are used by the lower layers of protocol stack to provide the service of the higher layers. Yeah, of course. Physical channels. Before going for logical and control channels, other channels, we have to discuss first physical channels. The downlink physical channels are physical downlink control channels. It carries the information about the transport format and resource allocation related to downlink shared channels. DSSCH and PCH transport channels and HRQ also related to downlink channel. Another physical downlink shared channels, physical broadcast channels, physical multicast channels, physical hybrid ARQ indicator channels, and physical control format indicator channel. These are the channels used in physical channels of the downlink physical channel. Physical uplink. Physical channel uplink, same way. Physical uplink control channels, PUCCH. Physical uplink shared channels, PUSSCH. Physical random access for allocation and other things. Reference channels, signals, and synchronization signals. Logical channels. Logical channels, actually what to transmit? Logical channels are used by the MAC to provide services to the RLC. Each logical channel is defined based upon the type of information it carries. In LTE, there are two categories of logical channels depending on the service they provide. One is logical control channels, another is logical traffic channels. Okay, so logical either is a control channels or it is a traffic channels. Traffic which carry the data, control which carry the management part of requests and etc. Logic control channel. It broadcast control channels, BCCH, a downlink common channel used to broadcast system control information to the mobile terminal in the cell, including downlink system bandwidth, antenna configuration and reference signal power. Due to large amount of information carried to BCCH, it mapped to two different transport channels, broadcast channels and downlink shared channels. That way, multicast control channel. What is multicast channels? A point to multi-point downlink channels used to transmit control information to user interface in the cell. This is why used by UES to receive multicast and broadcast services. Paging control channels, PCCH, downlink channels that transfer paging information to the registered user interface in the cell. For example, in case of mobile terminated communication session. Logical control channels, bidirectional channels of the transmitting control information between the network and user interface when no RCC connection is available. Then we are using common control channels. Dedicated control channel, a point-to-point bidirectional channel that transmitted dedicated controlled information between user interface and network. This channel is used when the RRC connection is available. That is why the UE attached to the network. Logical traffic channel, which are to transfer user plane information, include dedicated traffic channels, a point-to-point bidirectional channel used between the given user interface and the network. It can exist in both uplink and downlink. Very true. Multicast traffic channels. Unidirectional point-to-multipoint data channels that transmit traffic data from network to user interface. This is associated with the multicast and broadcast services. Transport channel. How to transmit? Downlink shared channels used for transmitting the downlink data, including both control and traffic data, and thus it is associated with the logical control and logical traffic channel. It supports HARQ dynamic link adaptations, dynamics, and semi-persistent resource allocation, user discontinue reception, and multicast broadcast transmission. So many services. The concept of shared channel transmission originates to HSDFPA, which uses high-speed downlink shared channels to multiplex traffic and control information among different user interfaces. By sharing the radio resource among the different user interfaces, the downlink shared channels is able to maximize the throughput by allocating the resources of an optimum user interface. The processing of DLSCH is described in section. Downlink transport channel continuation. We have 3 broadcast channels, multicast channels, paging channels. Uplink transport channels, as we discussed about downlink transport channel, now we have to discuss uplink transport channel. It is also having downlink control information, control format indicator, CFI. It is having HARQ indicator and channel mapping. How to do channel mapping we have to discuss now. You can see this diagram where the physical channels which is being mapped with the transport channels, and transport channels is mapping with the logical channels which is required the service particular layers. You can see where PUSH is connected to physical layer and physical layer is connected to uplink sharing channels, and that is connected to DCSCH or to DTCH or to CCCH. And same way downlink shared channel also connected to DTCH, to DCCS and CCCS and BCCS. This has been for the carrying the information and performing the job of the system. Mapping. To control information to physical layers, it is seen that the control informations, it is being only connected to PUCCS and PU shared channels, uplink shares, physical uplink shared channels. Like this, physical channel is mapping with the others, you can see in the diagram. That's all. Thank you very much.